Dudula.
Yo, Zimbabweans in South Africa. Zimbabweans. Kiralama Zimbabwe, Lena Banaba Munangwangu. What's wrong with you? Pella, the whole country cannot be talking about you. Everywhere, left, right, center, Zimbabweans, Zimbabwean this, Zimbabwean this. We are enough. We've had enough. Like, I've never seen a stubborn, very stubborn nation as you Zimbabweans. Like, this video is specifically for you Zimbabweans. Like, you're all over. South Africans had enough of you. Like, you are so stubborn, you are so inflexible. Why are you so naive, clueless? It's not like you don't know or you are like everywhere they are talking about you. Even internationally, like you are overcrowding us as South Africans. We are not xenophobic and we are sick and tired of being called xenophobic when we air our cries. Like this is our grievances. As South Africans, we are not working. You are overcrowding us. We have enough issues as it is. Like there's this thing, you occupied everywhere. Most South Africa or what's a modi paving killing a little. We are going to satanism. Li busy. We thought you are praying. And you are not praying. You are here like like the evil spirit. Li busy li bofa bana ba tuka kwa di kankeng. Ke di video tse ka etse di kra mo TikTok ba bolela ka lena. Like South Africans are clean people. We are the most cleanest people. Go to townships, you'll cry. Go to Johannesburg, like go to Tshwane. Kile na fela mo di pavementing le tletse le rekisha everywhere and you are not paying anything, you are not paying tax. Ra go di clinic, ra go di betlele ke rena bana ba bolena, those bana ba borena like bo marena bo kwa rena. South Africans ga ba go di betlele ga ba kre mepete ke lena la belega too much every year motho pregnant. Like there is this video of this lady who go Zimbabwe arengena o she gave birth on the pavement. Like tell me mosadi lo tse a botse ka mtlhogong ga botse lena o ka re le mentally disturbed ka mtlhogo lena ma Zimbabweans. You are so ignorant to a point whereby you are crazy. How can you give birth on a pavement? Like pregnancy is not emergency, guys. Mosadi lo tsibile re not pregnant for 9 months. So yena le husband ya gage o dira bana like yo a lebega o ka re magotlo lebelega o ka re magotlo ka South Africa and you don't have medical insurance, you're not paying tax, you don't have proper documentations. Litle ka mo ka di kamela litle ka mo ka di kwena like li jambile ma fence, but o fitla ka mo you get so relaxed to a point by you get pregnant. A o tsebe le robelega la kae. So you want to blame South Africans? No. You want to paint us as bad people? No, South Africans are known to be very peaceful and loving people. Re la mogetše for nako e telele ke gale re dula le lena mo di ntlong tša rena re la mogetše ra le rentišetša re phela le lena gabotse but lena ne you overstayed your welcome. You've come to a point whereby you bite a hand that fits you, like re le fa madulo re le fa metlhole ka moka, but today ke tlo le bitsa ka mantswa a fapana mantswa a fapana go describe motho o mo stubborn. You are so obstinate, inflexible, mullish. You are so bull-headed, alekwi. Like the whole country cannot be talking about you and like alinyakazi. Just go home and fix your countries, guys. Kanti linyako utlonto lo fitla kae. Go home while you still have the dignity. Yo.
The Democrats are the ones that started this, and if you think about it, it's about health care to a large extent. It's about we want great health care for people. We don't want to give the money away to other people that come pouring into our country, and they've already poured because nobody's coming into our country. Now we have the border totally stopped. In fact, numbers we just announced again, we're at another 0. So we have 0 for 4 months in a row. 0 people coming into our country illegally. That's a pretty good number. I'm not sure even I can believe that, Doug, if you want to know the truth. 0. We went from millions of people to 0, but it's pretty close to that number. And the way you stop them is not to give away, not to announce that you're giving everybody free health care, free this and that. But what that does is it affects the American people because the American people are unable to get good health care.
So please, we can't allow this to carry on. We can't allow the court to rule in favor of the Human Rights Commission. because akhona private hospitals, we keep saying this, private hospitals, public hospitals must be reserved for South Africans so that we can be able to get the primary and emergency and healthcare that we need. Kodwa nabo mebeyidinga le emergency, it's fine, we won't stop them, but healthcare should be reserved for South Africans, and it's the call that we're making to make sure that a Human Rights Commission is not stopping us. I don't know how the South African Human Rights Commission is trying to get us as South Africans arrested and not illegal immigrants.
Go look for a job. If you have a family, you cannot wake up in the morning chasing your fellow blacks. Go fight for the land. Go fight for the land of South Africa. Go fight for the economy. Fuck you. Go fight. Go work. Go look for a job. Leave us alone. We are Africa. This is our continent. We are Africa. This is our continent. Yes, we are Africa. This is our continent. This is... No, this is the thing. It's good. It's good. This is our continent. We are Africans. Go and fight for their land. Go and fight for their land. Fight for the economy of South Africa. People are Africa alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. If you have a family, you can't do this. Yes. If you have a family, you can't do this. No. Go fight for your economy. Go fight for your land. Nonsense. We are Africans. Nonsense. If you have a wife, if you have children, you can never wake up in the morning, go up and down. Nonsense. You are fighting your fellow blacks. They claim their land and the farm and the economy of South Africa. We're not the one holding the economy of South Africa. Yes, go fight for their land. We are Africa. We are Africa. We're not European. We're not America. This is Africa. We fight for the liberation of South Africa. Yes, we fight. This is Africa. This is Africa. This is Africa. Go fight for the land. Go fight for the land. Go come reclaim the land. Yeah, fighting your fellow black, fighting your fellow brother and sisters. Where do you want us to get stand? We have been here more than 35 years. We have South Africa. We manage South Africa. We have children here. How do you want us to feed our children? If we don't want us to sell on the street, provide a place for us. Why chasing us away every time? The villas. All African national is here in the villas. All African national is here in the villas doing business. What is the problem? If you chase us away out here, what do you want us to do? Where would you want us to go? You want us to turn to be a criminal or what? Why are you fighting the fellow black? Why are you fighting the fellow blacks? What is have Africa done to you? This is the African continent. We fight for your liberation. During the time of apartheid, we contributed money for the freedom of South Africa. Why taking us out? We are happy that we are displaced. We are happy that we are displaced where we are trading. How can my fellow black South Africa chasing me out? Go and fight for the land of South Africa. Go and fight for the economy. Leave the street traders alone. If you want to decline the economy, go and fight for the economy of South Africa. Go and fight for the land. Leave the street alone. All this beauty here that is for the investor that build them. Leave us alone. Why do you hate your fellow blacks? Where are you supposed to fight? You don't want to fight here. Go look for a job. If you have a family, if you have a...
Dudula.
Hawa, kabe Zimbabwe akona nto. You are so spoiled. You are so spoiled. Like, le come South Africa, le enjoy the privileged. Jaba banaba move South Africa to a point whereby they are exploited, guys. You are exploiting us. to a point whereby le tša di-medications tša rena ka mo South Africa le di romela ko Zimbabwe gore le di rekiše. The level of disrespect. How can you ye go clinic 5 times a day we use medication just for wena gore o ye o rekišitše bana ba bangwe ko Zimbabwe? Zimbabwe ga gona ntwa mo le gore le tla re lena le tšhabile ntwa. You're so lazy batho ba Zimbabwe. And it goes to a point whereby le feel like you are so entitled gore le be mo South Africa. Rena re ya ko dipetlela re kry ditlhare. We are not getting medication. We are not getting the fair treatment that we are supposed to get because of you. Rema the line tse di telele. O tswa mo 5 o'clock o buye 5 o'clock. But you are paying tax. Lena le patele next. Ibile nna le seveti le ntwe isile wa lena le tlo bolela gore di-ARV di free mo South Africa. Tla ke le botse mo South Africa ona ntho a mahala. Ene le bona so ba to know ba bulagile matlho ba bona gore you are overcrowding us and you are taking us for granted. Le re tšela advantage. Ke gale re le loketše. No, it's high time you go home and fix your countries. As for Zimbabwe, there is no civil war in South Africa. I mean in Zimbabwe. So you cannot tell us that you are refugees. You're not refugees. How can you get pregnant in a foreign land where else you know you are a refugee? Just go home, guys.
Dudula.
There was Zandile, Dudula operation. I'm sure you happy or you see me. I'm at my house. That is my place. Zandile, I told you for a long time, you can cry.
Dudula. Dudula.